yes.
Okay, good morning. I hope you're well. Thought I would start a spring reset video. It's gonna be spring solstice soon. Like, I'm feeling the big urge to spring clean and do some like home reno projects and also clean out my closet. Thought I would take you along. And a bird just flew into my house, but then he flew out. And I feel like there's something in that, you know? He flew in the house, he got out of the house. Sometimes you fly in, sometimes you're stuck in the house, you're hitting into windows, panicking, trying to get out. Come here, no, come here, this way. But then you realize that there's a door wide open and you can fly out at any time, but you just have to see it. You gotta stop and you gotta look around and you gotta see the wide open door. But while you're panicking and you're flapping your wings and you're hitting into the windows because it looks like it's the outside, it's not the outside. There's a wall there, that's not the way through, but you see the door and then you can leave. That's what's there. I knew there was something. I'm gonna take Bo on a walk. I'm watching my godson and it's a good way to start the day, so I'm gonna take him on a long walk and dog park it so he uses his energy and he's not annoying. There's also something there as well. So I use my energy and I'm not annoying. Thank you. Okay. Okay, actually a really good way to start this reset out is Ritual's new product, Stress Relief. Thank you for sponsoring today's video, Ritual. I'm a big fan of Ritual. I've always loved their products. Honestly, every launch they've ever had, I've been a fan of. This one I'm specifically excited about. I was going down a rabbit hole about saffron like a month or two ago, and then they came out with this product and I was like, that's very serendipitous. It's saffron, ashwagandha, and L-theanine. All really great for managing stress, lowering cortisol, which has been a really huge issue in my life. Oh, honestly, over the past like 3-4 years that I've been kind of in this battle with cortisol and stress and feeling stressed out in my body. And I've spoken about that with like other mental techniques like meditation, breath work, things like that can be also really helpful. I think this is really nice to have a supplement to kind of help combat that. I've definitely been noticing a difference, like enough where whenever I know a supplement's working, I feel like called to take it. Like I've been excited to take it in the morning, so then therefore I know something about me is drawn to the specific supplement, meaning that it's obviously doing something that my body is liking, if that makes sense. It comes in their capsule that is an 8-hour release too, so it'll work throughout the day. Also, always a fan of Ritual's traceability. Their sourcing of ingredients I think is great. If you want to check it out, you can use my code JennyBorn25 to get 25% off your first order. Are these chairs I sell. I just feel like the chairs make it feel like there's so much going on, having so many little things, and I think just having two like grounding elements in this area with a rug will make it look so much cleaner in here. But now we have this. Okay, yes. Like if I reupholster it with a fabric, maybe like this. Oh yeah. Okay, vision coming together. Pillows on here. It's hard to see. It looks like really big right now, but once this shit's gone, it's more centered. I think it's actually really perfect. So functionally, it makes this room like 2 people, someone could sleep on the couch. This is an actual mattress, so someone could sleep there. So now I could sleep 4 people if I needed to. I'm excited about doing this. I got checker tiles that are these peel and stick. My friend recommended these to me. I really don't like this kitchen floor. I hate looking at it. I hate walking on it. I don't like it for some reason. The gray is just really unappealing to me. The feel of it I don't like. And I miss my old checker tiles. So I'm gonna do these peel and stick on the floor. It's gonna be a little bit difficult to map out and make sure it's even. So it's probably gonna take me a sec to do this, but I'm gonna clean it really well, vacuum, mop, and then lay these out in the design, and then probably peel and stick once I have them all laid out. I think I want to go classic tile and not diagonal. My friend has his diagonal, but I think I like, for the vibe of this space, to be just square. Layout, I just have to, I think I'm gonna start with the ones that fit cleanly, and then we'll have to cut out specific pieces. Okay, honestly not too bad. I have all of the like easy pieces down, and some of the hard ones like I cut out beyond this. Okay, I'm noticing myself getting impatient, and now I'm just like making bad cuts and weird cuts because I just want to get it done, and so I'm gonna stop for now. We're gonna revisit because I'm learning myself, and now I'm just wasting material because I did this bad. So we're gonna circle back. Just don't be afraid to circle back, you know, life lessons. But overall, honestly, like, looks pretty good. If you look too closely, it's a little messed up, but if you look too closely at anything, I would say it's a little messed up, so c'est la vie. Okay, I got more bins because this area had some type of animal get into it and poop all over my stuff. Most of it was in bins, but some of it wasn't, and it chewed through my Patagonia backpack, which I'm like a little peeved about. And obviously it's a good idea just to have things in bins, but definitely pretty annoying. So taking care of that, which is good, but I don't know. Crafts, getting crafts. That's satisfying. I've actually been meaning to take this top drawer that I've kept my jewelry in that has been so chaotic, honestly, since I moved to LA, and lay out the pieces in this little cabinet, which I feel like is kind of perfect for that. I don't have anything else in it. I'm like looking up in here, and there's just a bunch of nails like coming through. They're like sitting, like there's no reason for them to be there. Someone drew like on the inside of this at some point, but what are all the nails about? Why are they like that? I'm really confused. I don't like it. I don't like whatever vibe that is. Something's wrong. What is it? Why? There's so many and they're all different types. They're just sitting there. Anyone remember Hair Clip Jenny? This was one of the hair clips that started it all. I was obsessed. But they are really cute. Maybe I bring hair clips back. They're so fresh. Fish hair clips. I love these. I love my fixations, honestly. Like, that I just become so obsessed with something and like run it to the ground. This earring, love these. Really got out of the phase of wearing jewelry. Like, I feel like I only switch out like my few necklaces. I feel so nostalgic looking at these pieces. A little nostalgic in like a good way, but it's mostly nostalgic in a weird way. Like, I was like, oh, I loved wearing these and it makes me happy that I loved wearing them, but I do not yearn to return, you know? Okay, folks, I think we hit the end of the road on the spring reset. Honestly, it's been super nice. I am feeling very refreshed. It's nice to just like get even a few random little tasks done. I'm so happy for it to be lighter, longer, and just enter into a new year and a new season. So hopefully you enjoyed. I really liked when you told me good things about your day in the last video. Honestly, it was super sweet. My mom texted me and was like, it was so cute to see what made everyone's day in the last video. I really liked it. I still need to go reply to comments. And also check out Ritual. If you want it, you can get 25% off your first order with JennyBorn25. Linked below. And with that, I will see you in the next video.